So here's how you can add a date and a time into the photos on an iPhone. So let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So basically, you can open up your Photos app, or you can open up camera and capture some newly photos, whatever. And you'll be able to select the videos or photos which you have in your gallery. You can look it up like that, and you can then swipe up on it to reveal and access more information about it. So you get in here and you can see like the camera information, whatever, but you also see the date and the time, and you have the ability to click on adjust next to it, and you can literally see the original time and also the adjusted time, right? So you have all of the options like choosing a time zone and going back in a time. You can literally select like a different year or different day, whatever. You can see the time can be adjusted here as well. So that is how you can add it, right? So if you, for example, would want to share the photo with someone else, or I don't know, just have a different time there for whatever reason, this is how you could technically do it. Keep in mind that, of course, if it's a photo, you can capture a screenshot, and that will only contain the today's time from the point of the screenshot being taken. So that is, I guess, another possibility. But yeah, doesn't really apply to videos. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.